The new Renault Austral crossover went to the final tests. Renault continues preparations for the premiere of the new Austral crossover, announced last year. The car made it to the final series of tests, which is taking place in parallel in France, Germany, Spain and Romania, where photo spies were already waiting for it. The name Austral has nothing to do with the Astral, or even with Australia. From Latin this word is translated as Southerner. The novelty in the Renault SUV lineup will act as a replacement for the European SUV Cadger, which has never been able to gain popularity in the old world. Judging by the first spy photos, the car will look like an electric Renault Megane E-Tech. However, there are still some differences. Given that this is a crossover, it will get a taller body. In addition, the Air to Cadger will have traditional door handles rather than hidden in the body. The Austral length will be 4,500 mm against 4,450 for Cadger. The SUV will be based on the modernized Nissan platform CMF CD3, known from the third-generation Qashqai. Renault Austral's engine range should include exclusively hybrid powertrains. In the basic version, the hybrid will be based on a 1.3-liter supercharged engine, paired with a 12-volt starter generator. In the middle of the aggregate lineup there will be a modification with a 1.2-liter TCE engine, combined with a supplement in the form of a 48-volt starter generator. Well, at the top of the range will be a full-fledged E-Tech hybrid unit, producing 200 horsepower. The debut of the new Renault crossover should take place this spring. It will be produced by a French brand enterprise in Palencia, Spain.